How to send a one-time view picture on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device and make sure you are logged in. From there, tap the camera button to take a photo or swipe up to select one from your gallery. After that, once your photo is ready, look at the bottom right corner of the screen for the timer icon. At this point, tap on it to open the viewing duration option. From there, you'll see several time options available. Make sure to select anything other than the unlimited option so the photo doesn't stay visible indefinitely. Following this, choosing any of the time the option means the recipient will only be able to view the photo for that set duration before it disappears automatically. From here, if you want it to be viewed just once, select the one-time view option from the list. After that, tap the send button and choose who you want to send the snap to. After that, tap the send button and choose who you want to send the snap to. Finally, once the recipient opens it, the photo will disappear according to the timer you set and won't be available for them to go back to. That's how you send a one-time view picture on Snapchat. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Android tutorials. And I'll catch you in the next one.